Hey everybody, I want to give you all a heads up. Yeah, this is Larry Barones here in Fort Worth, Texas. You got it. Well, tomorrow, January the 12th, is Pen Pal Hangout on my Zoom Pen Hangout channel, right? So, I know I get this all the time. What is the passcodes? The passcodes are right there below, and you'll see them. And they're also in the Facebook area as well. They're all over the place. And usually our room manager, Frank Overman, sends out notices about that as well. So if you haven't joined us on Pen Pals yet Hangout, it's a blast. We have lots and lots of fun. It's about an hour long. And what I want to ask everybody is, when you want to ask a question or say something, raise your hand. That way we don't have a whole bunch of people talking over somebody. So that way, like, I have a question, raise my hand. Then I'll say, this question goes to Mr. Announcer, blah, 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 so-and-so. But anyway, I want to invite each and every one of you, all over the world. I don't care where you live. Join us, and let's have a real bonding get-together. Don't you think we need it after what all we've been through in the year 2020? I mean, it's like pure hell, right? And we're still going to have to deal with it. You know, we have to isolate ourselves. We have to be extremely careful. We have to follow the rules. We don't want to get sick. The vaccine is just coming out. People are starting to get their shots. So people are uptight, chapped. You know, they've been locked up, cooped up. But you always got me. I'm always here for you guys. And let's have really some fun. Let's let loose like a goose. Be cool like your school. And let's bond. Really, I'm dead serious. Let's just have a good time tomorrow. 6:30 p.m. Central Time. I'll see you then. And remember, don't be doing this. Don't text and don't drive. Later.